Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Cadillac CT4-V. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V emerges as a standout choice, embodying a perfect fusion of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As the latest iteration of Cadillac's esteemed V-Series lineup, the CT4-V epitomizes the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences while providing the comfort and sophistication expected from a premium vehicle. Under the hood, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V boasts a potent turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 325 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive configuration, the CT4-V offers rapid acceleration and seamless power delivery. With its dynamic handling characteristics and sport-tuned suspension, the CT4-V delivers agile performance and responsive handling, making it a joy to drive in various driving conditions. The CT4-V's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Cadillac's magnetic ride control, adaptive suspension, and Brembo performance brakes ensure exceptional ride comfort and precise handling, allowing the CT4-V to corner with confidence and carve through corners with precision. The sedan's lightweight construction and aerodynamic design contribute to its nimble agility and excellent stability at high speeds. Visually, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V exudes a sporty and sophisticated demeanor, with its sleek design elements and distinctive V-Series accents. Its exterior features a bold grille, aerodynamic sculpting, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented character. The CT4-V rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the CT4-V's appearance, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the CT4-V offers a luxurious and driver-centric environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts sports seats with leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and carbon fiber trim accents. The CT4-V is equipped with Cadillac's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V. The sedan comes equipped with Cadillac's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the CT4-V offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the CT4-V promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.